Hey everyone! Welcome back to part 4 of our Python tutorial series. Today, we're diving into advanced string techniques, covering uppercase and lowercase functions, strip functions, deep slicing, and split functions. Let's get started.
Reverse of this now, if you save and if you do reverse of this now, you'll get this. Okay, if you save that in one variable and do reverse of it now, like if you apply this now, you get the same thing. Step 2 means you are understanding, right? You'll leave 2 steps, so you'll take okay, you'll leave one step and you'll take L. Okay, you leave one step and you take K. Okay, you leave one step and you take space, like this. Okay, step 2 means as like we are moving forward, how we are taking in the same way negative also. Remember these things. Okay, and next uppercase. Everyone know uppercase, right? How to take uppercase and lowercase. Okay. For example, string I'm taking. Hello I'm taking here. Okay. For this, just string dot upper. Okay. Uh, String dot upper. Okay. Run it. You'll get everything in capital. Even though some of them in lower, you'll get in capital. This sort of things, it will help you while doing coding part. Okay, while creating some algorithms, that sort of things, it will help you this inbuilt things, and we'll be dealing with various inbuilt Python libraries also, which helps for coding part. I'll be telling that also, and we'll deal with logical coding as I mentioned. Okay. Similarly, you got this thing, right? Everything, like how to take it. Even if you take any small also, you get this way. Okay. And you can take lowercase also, similarly. You can take lowercase too here. How to take that lowercase? Here, string, you are getting everything in capital, right? So just mention not capital. Here, we are not converting directly, so you need to copy in one of the variable actually. Some like s is equal to, like you need to copy in one of the variable. Okay, this part you need to copy in one of the variable, then only things will change. Okay, now I'll take yes sir instead of that. S is all capital. Okay, s dot lower, simple, it's very easy. S dot lower, okay, you'll get this. Got it right? S dot lower, s dot upper, string dot upper, this we use for uppercase and lowercase. And next thing, like, how to remove the white spaces. Like if I give a string like this, um, I like eating. Okay. In this, you have white spaces, right? Okay. Not this thing exactly. I'll give some space in starting and ending. Okay. Here I'll remove space from start and end. When you take start and end, how to remove the space? Okay, if you get strings this way, but the starting and ending, but you will get some space in between. Okay, but you will get some space in between. How to remove this white spaces in the starting and end? Not trim. We won't get to go with trim. I'm not like slicing concept also you can use, but if you know these thing you can use. But we have some inbuilt function. We can go with that also. Okay. See, if you run this also, you'll have spaces here. We'll not use trim here. We'll use some other technique called strip. Okay. If you are a coder, these are very important. Not only for this, even to create many algorithms in Python. These are important. These sort of techniques are important. Okay, strip. You need to use strip and string translate, make trans. This sort of things we'll use. I'll be telling all these things. By the end of this course, you'll learn all the things. Okay, just you need to spare your time. If you're not sparing your time, and go with the recordings if you are absent to any class. Okay, if you are not regular to it, you won't be able to understand once if we go into advanced part. Okay, from the starting to ending, you need to be in this meeting. Okay, and you need to follow all the things, then only you'll be able to understand. Okay, now see, string, just string dot strip. Okay, you have strip. What is happening? It is removing the white spaces. You can see, right? You can check it out. It is removing the white spaces. Okay, it is removing the white spaces. You can take this way. And you know how to take the even places and odd places in a string, right? How to take it, even places and odd places. Like if you take I like eating, right? So here how to take even places and odd places. I'll copy this thing in one of the variable like yes sir. Okay, okay, this is yes sir. And now I want only odd places in string. What method we can use? Like you can text in the chat. I want only odd places to be printed in the string. What we can use? Slicing concept. Mention one of the slicing concept. Like we use slicing concept. What we need to use to take only odd places. Yes of yeah, slicing using yeah, one two yeah, yeah, you can, that is true. You can start with one or even if you're not mentioning one, this works. Okay, yeah, 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 even you are not mentioning work, this works. Okay, even if you're not mentioning it, no, it works. One if you're giving, it works, so it is not giving. Okay, it starts from index is 0, right? If you give one, it will change. Okay, be aware of this. Index starts from 0, so remember this thing. Okay, and next, how to split a word. Sometimes we use like to take multiple like list comprehension and we'll use in Python, right? Now we'll deal with splitting concept. I want to split the words. How to split words, we'll say. Okay, uh, we'll be taking different examples, and today class is little lag just because I have explained all the course content, right? So I'm not able to cover more topics, but in every class I'll cover most of the content. Okay. Thing is like not covering content, you should be able to understand things also. If you're not getting anything, you can ping me. Okay. You can ping in the chat. You're not understanding. So I'll be going little slower. Okay. And try to attend all the sessions. And you please people like who are joining na, please change your name na, whenever you join here like true leaders news world's the best. Please change it to your name na, the one who is joining, so that I'll be knowing your name whether you are joining the sessions or not. If you are joining this way, it will be difficult for me to know about you. True leaders news someone have joined with this name. I'm telling about them. Need to see. Okay, for this class, I'll allow you, but for the next class, make sure you join with your name only. Okay. Split concept. Now we'll deal with split. I'll give a string now. Okay. Like hello world only. This word is becoming common for me. Why? Because I have deal this thing in C language, Python. Okay, even in R language too. So here, you are getting hello world. Now how to split it? Just use string dot split. Okay. You can see here you have two different things. Okay. Two words got splitted here. Okay. And if you want to split with some, like for example, if you have a continuous string, uh, I like eating. Okay. Okay, up to eating I'll take. Okay, up to eating I'm taking here. Okay, see here. Just I'll take this here. I'll take some like here. Okay, I want to split it near like. Okay. Oh, I'm taking A now. Sorry, it's not there now, so it is splitting this way. You can check it out. If I'm taking like here, you're splitting here this way. You're splitting this words this way. You can take any word, any letter too. Okay, even if you take I, for every I, it will split this way. Okay, Ike or like or anything. Okay, you can use for single word too. I is repeating more times, right? If you take I, it splits this way. Okay, and you can use any special character too. If you have any special character, you can use that special character too. Okay, till here everything is clear for everyone. Any doubt here? Till now, whatever things we have discussed, you like beginners and everyone's once go through this concept and start revising everything. Okay, and attend all the sessions. Make sure you spare your 3 months for me. Definitely, you'll understand so many things. First 1 month we'll deal with first 3 weeks we'll deal with Python, and within this month only we'll deal with some EDA part like Matplotlib and Cpon. Make sure try to attend all the sessions. Okay, and you'll be getting mostly everything you'll get in real time scenario, like what happens in real time scenario. I'll be dealing with that only. Okay, most of the cases I'll deal with real time scenario only. I won't waste your time. Okay, and I won't waste my time for dealing with different waste content. Okay, I'll deal with important contents. Clear, right? I'm stopping the recording. If
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next part, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Python tutorials.